Hi, this is the 28B ladder rack, and this is available from both Packham and Rackham. This is made out of aluminum, non-corrosive, does come with the hardware to assemble it. This kit uses the same type of telescoping method to assemble its parts, which gives it a nice tight fit. Uses the same type of T-bar mounting bracket that would mount into the rain gutter of the trailer, just like that. Now, the one thing this kit doesn't come with is cross beams. This kit, this pocket on this particular upright is designed to accept the 2x4, and the 2x4 will become your cross beam. So of course, this kit is completely adjustable to any width trailer you may have. Just simply cut your 2x4 to length. The 2x4 bolt in and look like this, giving you a very strong ladder rack.